No, this is not good at all.
Sammy, you've been inspecting Ginger's cage for an hour. What's the matter?
See for yourself. How come this is called a hamster house?
To me it looks okay. Why don't you like it?
Everything is a mess here. Look, even the walls have holes.
Silly. Sammy, just say that you're bored.
Maybe I am, so what?
Why don't we entertain you right now by building a fun playground for Ginger?
You wanna have your cake and eat it? I'm in.
Hi everyone! Our mission for today is to not let Sammy die of boredom.
Haha, very funny, Susan. Like you don't wanna make a new craft.
Of course I do! I love making something exciting for our furry friends.
I hope Ginger will be pleased with this new playground. He doesn't get outside much.
Okay, guys, this is a cement mixture. We're gonna use it a lot today because we're making a hamster house from bricks. Huh? Let's get started.
This mixture hardens in no time. We'll have to work really quick.
You're right, Sammy. There, we've started.
Guys, we've already created crafts from bricks. You can find those videos on our channel. But first, give a thumbs up to Susie's efforts. She's a brick whisperer.
Thanks, Sammy. I see that you tempered your justice with mercy. Let's remove the extra cement carefully, like this.
I just thought that. You were right. I was bored. But now I'm happy to help you. Tell me, what do you need?
You can bring me something that will serve as a doorway to this house.
Consider it done.
In the meantime, I'll speed up with the walls. I am a brick master after all.
Susie, check out what I made. Looks like a mohawk.
Sammy, you're right. Nice job, by the way. This arch will make a perfect doorway. Let's make it sturdier by surrounding it with bricks from both sides, like this. We'll use a tiny bit of magic right now, all right? There, the base of our house is ready.
Check out what I came up with. Whoa, holy cannoli. You made a cool door, Susie. And I will put in a window. Well, what do you say?
Wow, you did great, Sammy. But I think one window is probably not enough. Let's fix this. Perfect.
Susan, as a construction site supervisor, I can assure you that this wall needs to be higher.
Sammy, since when are you in charge of this craft?
Since I had the terrific idea to install the lighting in this house.
Oh, I see.
Here's the switch. Try it on the wall, please.
Sammy, that's a great idea. We'll need a half-break opening right here. Let's see. Great. Guys, this cute house is almost ready.
Sue, don't you think it's a bit dirty?
Yep, you're right. To clean it, we'll need water and a toothbrush.
Let me help you with that, Susie. Na. Guys, this might take time. Stay tuned. Na.
Guys, we'll have the first house to dry properly. In the meantime, we can move to the second one. It'll have a round doorway right here. This house will have a gable roof, that's why.
We will need to adjust some bricks. Here they are.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. You're quite helpful today. Am I right, guys? Then give Sammy a thumbs up.
Of course I'm helpful, Sue. I want our little Ginger to have the best playground ever. I'm gonna go tell him that he's about to have the time of his life.
Wait, Sammy, we're not even halfway through. Oh, that impatient slime. Now we'll need to speed up to meet Ginger's expectations. Whoa! All we need to do is clean the extra cement from the walls.
I'll be happy to do that, Sue.
Oh, really?
I'm experiencing Cinderella syndrome. I have this craving to make everything clean.
Then who am I to stop you?
Whoa!
In the meantime, we'll make 4 columns that will hold the second house. Use a wooden stick to make the columns sturdier. We simply put one brick on it after another, adding our cement mixture in between. Like this. Let's not make them too high so that Ginger won't get scared. 7 bricks will be enough. And whoosh! There.
Hey Susie, check this out. I also made one.
That's great, Sammy. But I made 3. Cool, huh?
Whatever. Oh, Sue, do we have a doctor visiting us?
What? Why are you… Ah, I see. Sammy, we just need this syringe for our craft. Since all of our brick constructions are already dry, it's time for the grout. First, we add some color. I've been thinking of something brownish. Next, we'll mix everything really well, like that. Ooh, I like this color.
Me too. It reminds me of chocolate, even if the smell is strange.
And finally, we'll fill the syringe with the grout mixture like this.
Hey, brick wall, are you ready for an injection?
Guys, be careful at this stage of the craft. Everything should look neat. There, the first row is ready. Use a metallic spatula to remove the extra grout.
Do this procedure with all the walls and columns. Then wash all the surfaces with water. Whoa, Sue! Did we finish already?
Not yet, Sammy. I was just estimating how well everything's going so far. Our next step is to make a couple of holes for the wires. Guys, be very careful with the drill.
You'd better ask an adult to help you. How many holes do we need, Sue?
Just 2. One in this house, and another one in the second house.
Is it already time for wires?
Nope, Sam. Let's finish with the houses first. They're still missing their roofs. Voila! Let's connect all the pieces.
Sue, look what I found. Do we need this anyway?
Of course! We'll need this for the tiles. I'd be grateful if you could help me with that.
Sure, Sue, I'm on it.
While Sam's busy with the roof tiles, we have time to make the roof of the small house. Overall, it is made just like the other one with only one difference. We need to glue these 2 halves together, like this.
Roof tiles! Who wanted roof tiles?
Oh, you did great, Sammy, but is that it? We kinda need plenty of them.
I've got that covered.
I wonder what he's up to again. Any ideas, guys?
Watch out, it's raining tiles! Oh, that's it? Huh, it's good that I covered the other roof beforehand.
With such terrific assistance, we'll finish this craft even faster than I thought we would.
Oh, thank you, Susie.
Now you can go and tell Ginger that he'll get a new playground in a couple of minutes.
Yippee!
As I already said, the bigger house will be here as the first floor. But before we set the second floor, let's add some decorations. These wooden tiles will look just perfect. Do you agree, guys? Then give this video a thumbs up. How did this happen?
A tiny bit of hamster magic.
Oh, Sammy, you scared me.
The decoration part is my favorite, and you know that. Wonderful.
Awesome, Sammy. Now we'll cover them with the wood stain. I really love how it's coming out.
So I kind of got stuck. Could you help me?
Oh, the good old story. Sammy got tangled up.
There's nothing funny about that. This could happen to anyone.
Of course it could, Mr. Grumpy Slime. Guys, always be careful with the wires. Try not to get tangled in them.
And ask an adult to help you to connect the wires to the battery and to the switch button.
Na na na, this way, just run. Yup, it works.
Oh, Sue, this playground looks magical. I can tell. But don't you think it's not safe enough?
It will be, Sammy. We'll make a cute little fence all around it. But first comes the ladder. It should be wide enough for Ginger's little paws. Done! Should we add color to it? Now we're talking!
No, a bit to the right. You're almost there. Great.
Now it's time to add a fence. Perfect. But the house is still empty.
Let's fill it with sawdust. Woo! Now Ginger will be pleased.
Oh, how thoughtful of you, Sammy. Here comes the second roof. We set it here, and we're done! Guys, I'm gonna get Ginger, and you can check out this playground in all its glory. Okay, Ginger, are you ready? Welcome to your newest playground!
Look, Sue! He already likes it! Hi, buddy!
Check this out, guys! Ginger uses windows instead of doors when it comes to food.
Fill it up, my friend!
Right. You need to be strong enough to climb the stairs to the second floor.
He's ready to get there now!
Now that was fast!
Look, Sue! He already needs to refuel his energy!
Yeah, I bet the climb was exhausting. Guys, I hope you liked our video today. You can make a cool playground for your hamster too. See you on our channel. Bye!
Bye-bye, boys and girls! And don't forget to hit